Hey girls! Today I'm showing you 3 easy and super aesthetic recipes that you can make at home, whether it's breakfast, a snack, or just a little treat to glow up your day. These recipes are quick, simple, and cute, and they'll make your mornings and afternoons feel extra special. Recipe 1. Yogurt and fruit bowl. First up is a yogurt and fruit bowl. This one is perfect for mornings or a little afternoon snack. Steps: take a bowl and add your favorite yogurt. I love plain Greek yogurt. Layer in fresh fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, and kiwi look amazing together. Sprinkle granola on top for crunch. Optional: drizzle a little honey for sweetness. This is healthy, colorful, and so aesthetic, and it really makes you feel like you're treating yourself. Recipe 2. Avocado toast. Next, we're making avocado toast. This is one of my favorite quick meals that's both healthy and trendy. Steps: toast your bread until golden brown. Smash half an avocado and spread it evenly. Add a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of chili flakes, or even a few cherry tomatoes for extra flavor. Optional: drizzle olive oil for an aesthetic touch. This is perfect for a light breakfast or snack, and it looks so cute on your plate. Recipe 3. Quick smoothie. Finally, we have a quick smoothie. This one is colorful, refreshing, and perfect for glowing skin. Steps: add 1 cup milk or almond milk to a blender. Add 1 banana, a handful of berries, and a little honey. Blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and add a few berries on top for aesthetics. This smoothie is perfect to start your day full of energy, and it's literally ready in just 2 minutes. And that's it, girls. 3 easy and aesthetic recipes you can make anytime to treat yourself and feel amazing. Try them out and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more fun, girly, and aesthetic recipes. Stay cute, stay glowing, and I'll see you soon.